You can easily get the Samsung Galaxy A02s A025G ISP EMMC PinOUT test point connection by following the full guide below along with images. By using the ISP Pinout, you can bypass FRP lock or reset user data on your device via EasyJTAG Plus Box or any other tool. Check out the below guide. By using the Samsung Galaxy A02s A025G EMMC ISP Pinout, you can easily restore the stock ROM, bypass FRP lock, remove MDM passcode lost mode, device lock, no downloads mode, no recovery, and remove FRP direct by EasyJTAG Plus or UFI Box. In this guide, we will show you the tested and working image of the UFS pinout and test point for the Samsung Galaxy A02s. Remove pattern lock, screen lock, finger lock in Samsung SM-A025G with UFI Box. You can easily solve with this method if you are a fresher technician or experienced technician in Android software related. If the error occurs of USB not recognized, then your USB is not working. If a battery is not charged, your USB socket will not properly work and you will fail in this method. If any issues, please write your questions in the comment box. I will try my best to help you. Samsung Galaxy A02s A025G device overview. The Samsung Galaxy A02s SM-A025G is an Android smartphone from Samsung's Galaxy A series. Its dimensions are 164.2 by 75.9 by 9.1 millimeters, and it weighs 196 g. This Samsung smartphone is powered by Qualcomm SDM450 Snapdragon 450 CPU and Adreno 506 GPU, octa-core processor, and runs Android 10 as operating system. The Galaxy A02s has 6.5 inches screen size and HD plus 720 by 1600 pixels of screen resolution. It comes with 3 GB/4 GB of RAM, random access memory, and 32 GB/64 GB of internal storage expandable via microSD card up to 1 TB. As for the camera specs, the front camera or selfie camera has 5 megapixels of resolution and a 13.0 MP wide plus 2.0 MP macro plus 2.0 MP depth, triple rear camera, main camera with flash and autofocus features. The Galaxy A02s battery capacity is 5,000 mAh with 15W fast charging support. What is Samsung Galaxy A02s A025G ISP Pinout? ISP means in-system programming. That in-system programming, ISP, allows communication to take place with a target chip without the need to remove it. The main advantage of this method is the possibility to communicate with a target chip eMMC or eMCP bypassing the CPU. It brings higher speed for data extraction compared with JTAG, but it requires great soldering skills. ISP applied to forensics is the practice of connecting to an eMMC or eMCP flash memory chip for the purpose of downloading a device's complete memory contents. Samsung Galaxy A02s A025G ISP EMMC PinOUT image. Hardware process. You need to take the rear case away from your phone. Next, unplug the motherboard from the existing battery, fingerprint sensor, and camera. Unscrew the screws from the motherboard and take it out and put it in a safe place. On your motherboard, locate the 6 eMMC pins. The pins are DAT0, CLK, CMD, GND, VCC, and VCCQ. You will require to cut through the steel cover to reveal them. Bring the UFI box and take the adapter out from it. You will see the exact same pins in the adapter I have mentioned in the previous step. Solder the 4 pins, DAT0, CLK, CMD, and GND with jumpers between the motherboard and the adapter. Left the VCC and VCCQ for the USB to power them out. Put the adapter inside the UFI box. Connect the box to the computer. Connect the motherboard to the phone's battery. Then, put the USB cable on the phone and connect it to the computer. Samsung Galaxy A02s A025G repair dead boot, or any brand phone you need 2 dongles. Best in the market. One is EasyJTAG Plus, and another is UFI Box. Both are best in the market. Those boxes help some phones after flashing the wrong firmware not show booting on screen. You need those boxes for boot repair. Some brands, not possible lock remove like a pin, pattern, password, FRP, and MDM lock. This really supports for remove locks. How to remove Samsung Galaxy A02s A025G FRP lock using UFI dongle. Run the UFI Box software. Check Direct EMMC ISP. Now, click on Identify EMMC. It will recognize your device by the software to take further. Go to the User Partition tab and click on the Special Task. Select Factory Reset from the list of options. Put away all the connections and assemble your phone back to its previous condition. Turn on your phone and enjoy.